What's my name?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I just got done doing so much. Like, my day was super productive and I'm so proud of myself. But I was about to start cooking and I was like, let me grab this camera and start vlogging, honey. Yes, because you know I'm trying to be here as much as possible. I'm trying to be really consistent. Like, I'm really trying to be consistent. So I'm about to cook curry shrimp and mashed potatoes, and why not have you guys here with me, period. Yeah. Guys, I was so hungry. I didn't even think to pick the camera back up and record while I was eating or something, but I am oh my gosh, I was so hungry. Like, it's basically nothing left. I couldn't even sit down. Like, that's how hungry I was. So I'm here trying to make some Valentine goodie bags for Remy's friends at school. I got a whole bunch of candy. Let me show you guys. So yeah, I wrote their names on the paper on these cute little things. And then I bought a bunch of candy and I'm going to make goodie bags, you know? Reggie, you know this is not for you, right? This is for Remy's friends at school, right? It's not for you. Open it. Let me see that one. Okay, open it, but separate it. Huh? I got too much candy. It's not for you.
Mom, can I have the one that's in the bag?
Yeah, not for you, Ragio. I just want to go to sleep. I am so tired. I've been working all day. I'm tired. How many kids again?
2.
17?
20.
18, but minus 2. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, but I got some teachers.
14.
15.
15.
Wow. Mom, these candies look so good.
They look so good.
Yeah, do I get to have one when I go to school?
You want one for yourself?
Yeah.
But you're the one that's making them at home, so why do you need to have one for you?
Because I want to look like I'm kissing someone.
I bought you candy for yourself. But you say you didn't want to take it to school. You wanted to keep it. You wanted to eat it at home. You're gonna get lots. I'm pretty sure other kids are going to bring Valentine's gifts. You don't need to take yours from home to take to school.
Oh man.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna get some from other kids.
No, I want to with mine to school and also have one for me too.
Okay, so you want one of these goodie bags for you or what?
One of these goodie bags for me.
Okay.
And you need a paper with my name.
Okay, I'm gonna make you one.
You're gonna move
Reggie, you are so extra.
Not for you, Mommy.
Not for you, Ramir.
Reggie, I know you want some, but you can't get none. Okay, you get some when you get home, okay? Okay, Mommy.
Want this one?
Yeah. Mom, do I bring them to school tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow. On Valentine's Day. I'm just trying to get it out the way before.
Mommy, I want that. Mommy, I want that.
One, two.
1, 2, those are 6. 1, 2,
Shadow red.
1, 2, I am the best. 1, 2, I'm the best. 1, 2, 56. 1, 2, 56. 5, 56.
Alright, so I'm done. Let me show you guys what I did here. So these are the little Valentine goodie bags I did for Ramir's classmates. Pretty good if you ask me. Yep. So now I'm just about to put them all together in a bag and call it a night. My husband is calling me. Yes, calling me. Hey, baby. Nothing. I'm here making goodie bags for Ramir's classmates for Valentine's. And I think I did a pretty good job. And I'm vlogging, so you're gonna be on my vlog. You talking to me, but look, I did good. So I'm here cooking some rice and peas and fried chicken. Yeah, as you can see, I did a record before. So yeah, I have the peas on the pot right now. I'm just season up the chicken. So yeah, you know your girl always in the kitchen. So that made right now, I cook. And the kids are over there being bad as usual. Where you jump for? What's funny? What's funny, Ramir?
Nothing.
So why are you laughing?
I don't know.
I don't know. Guys, the place still cold, no, the time still cold, but today outside just feel a little bit nice. You know, I can come outside and still feel nice and thing. I love this for me. The sun a beam and thing. Look, look, look. Snow still outside and such. You know, I'm gonna go to the pool from the place that get cold. I'm sorry, I can't tell when last I walk over there, so. But yeah, guys, up on the grass. The snow melt little. Reggie.
Mommy, I want to go.
You want Batman?
Yeah.
You ain't getting no Batman. I saw some mugs somewhere, but I don't know where I saw them at. But oh, this man in the
Wow.
wow. Guys, I know I look crazy, but me and Reggie just got off the road. We went to Walmart to get a few stuff for Ramir's teachers. As I said before in the last clip, like I forgot to get some stuff for the teachers, so I got them the same stuff, but it's some hearts for Valentine's Day. Let me show you guys. So this is what I got them. It feels really good outside, really good. The sun is out, but I know it's gonna be back to freezing cold in a few. So I'm supposed to be going to some circus at Ramir's school today. All of us, me and the kids at Ramir's school. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog, if I'm gonna take the camera with me to that event. I might not, but we will see. Good morning, guys. So today is a school day. It's Ramir's 100th day of school. Let me show you guys how Ramir looked for his 100th day. It's Ramir for me. Yes. Look at my little old man. Jesus. Catch the fit. Catch the fit. How you guys think I did? Because I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good with this fit, period. My baby celebrating 100 days of school, so today you have to dress up looking like 100.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run.